Hey, what's up, guys? So I know that my vlogs kind of do suck. You don't have to like tell me, oh, your vlogs don't suck. Yeah, my vlogs, I wouldn't say they suck. I mean, people are like me that make vlogs that don't have good quality. But I will try to make better vlogs. I don't know why. I rush too much in doing stuff, and it's very and then after I do the creation, I'm like, I could have made this better. If only I weren't rushing in doing my work, then I could actually make it great. But I struggle with that. So this vlog, I'm gonna try to make it better than last year's vlog against Heritage. CIF Southern Lead, Paloma versus Heritage. And yeah, and of course, I always think to myself, this is a very bad way to start a vlog. I mean, just talking like this, and like not having some sort of great beginning to a vlog. I suck at everything. Okay, but anyway, I'm gonna try and make it better. This is the bottom. I'm gonna start from the bottom. We are going to go to northern Menifee, California, and it's kind of east northern Menifee. Going to Heritage High School to play the Patriots. It's gonna be lit. I'm gonna have so many people in this vlog, so stay tuned. Hey, so we out here at Heritage now. Miley. Hey guys, we're at Heritage. What's up, guys? Yeah, Emmanuel. Wait, me and this boy. Ski. So we're out here in the desert. It's pretty cold out here, and a lot of people.
And today we're here at Paloma.
I don't know him, so.
Yeah. And today we're here with Man versus what's this team called? Marietta.
Boy. Oh no! 20 yards left. Hey, so we just scored a touchdown. Yeah! We're now down 7. Hey, what's that? There was lightning over there, and now, I don't know why we're not evacuating. Okay, Heritage has hurt 3 of our players now. Actually, never mind, that was Heritage's player. Alright, it's a minute before halftime. We're in the red zone. It's 4th and 10. We have to score a touchdown. Did you see that lightning over there? Come on. No! No! No return! Stop him! Are you serious? Let's go! That's a touchdown. USMCA! That's a new trade agreement between US and Canada. USMCA! United States, Mexico, Canada trade agreement. So, yeah, I did text my mother. It's raining in her place. It's raining in this place, and lightning struck today. No! Alright, it's really raining in this place. People are starting to evacuate. I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna see what happens. Oh! Oh, there's a fight! There's a fight! Yeah! Here! Heritage benches are starting to clear. What's up? Hey! How you guys doing tonight?
Good.
Bro, where's your jacket? I didn't bring it. Alright, so it looks like everybody is still here and it stopped raining, so...
You have to be Prev.
Yeah, Mason! Mason! He's lost! Mason! Mason! Canon, Ohio here! Mason to the end zone! Alright, so it's 9 years in a row now that Paloma has lost to Heritage. Embarrassment. It was the first play of the game, offensive play. Heritage scored. It was their offensive possession. And then for Paloma's first offensive play, fumble, and then Heritage took that position to the end zone. So pretty embarrassing for Paloma. I tried to enjoy the game and because I do want to vlog. I don't want to waste my recordings. I do want to add them, but I'm trying to enjoy the game at the same time. It's kind of hard, you know. Yeah, I know you're probably saying that I should just enjoy the game and forget the vlog, but my life's pretty. Did you guys kind of see that lightning outside? But anyway, thank you guys for watching this vlog. People will say it's a bad vlog. Well, I have to start somewhere with a good vlog. So thanks for watching, and peace.
It's no longer called NAFTA. Let me give you the new name. The United States-Mexico-Canada Agreement. It's not as catchy, but you are going to hear USMCA said a lot more. You are going to hear USMCA. Yay. A joint statement from the chief negotiators from both the US and Canada on this development. It said it will strengthen the middle class. You are going to hear USMCA.